Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. So as you know that I have started the biology series in which I discuss the top 50 previous year questions of botany and zoology which come in TGT and TET medical. So if you are preparing for TGT or TET medical, then this series will be very helpful for you people. And before watching my video, don't forget to like, subscribe and to share my channel, as you can give your biggest support to us by doing this. And also let me tell you that this is the third lecture and I have already uploaded the video of the living world and the biological classification of class plus 1. So if you have not watched those videos, then you can go to the playlist that is top 50 previous year questions and उसमें मैंने वो videos डाली हुई हैं. You can check it out. So let's discuss the first question now. Classification for flowering plant was given by George Bentham and Joseph Dalton Hooker. तो क्लासिफिकेशन किसने दी थी फ्लावरिंग प्लांट की? जॉर्ज बेंथम एंड जोसेफ डाल्टन हुकर. नेक्स्ट सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज टैक्सोनॉमी बेस्ड ऑन साइटोलॉजिकल इन्फॉर्मेशन. साइटोलॉजिकल इन्फॉर्मेशन क्या होती है? लाइक क्रोमोसोम नंबर, स्ट्रक्चर, बिहेवियर, और उसके बेसिस पे टैक्सोनॉमी को हम क्या कहते हैं? दैट इज योर साइटोटैक्सोनॉमी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज Volvox Chlamydomonas cara is an example of which algae? So it is an example of green algae. बहुत बार ये क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं एग्जाम में. वहाँ पर आपको दिया जाता है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ग्रीन एल्गी, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ब्राउन एल्गी. वहाँ पर बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस दिए जाते हैं. सो यू हैव टू टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. सो आपको इसमें एग्जाम्पल्स को लर्न करना है कि ग्रीन एल्गी कौन सी है, ब्राउन एल्गी कौन सी है, रेड एल्गी कौन सी है. Okay, so next is Laminaria, Fucus and Dictyota are an example of brown algae. Porphyra polysifonia is an example of red algae. Now question number 6 is agar is obtained from Gelidium and Glacieria. Question number 7 is the members of the Chlorophyceae are commonly called green algae. Pyrenoids are found in क्लोरोप्लास्ट. ओके, ये 2020 में भी क्वेश्चन आया था. पायरेनॉइड से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस आते ही हैं. ग्रीन एल्गी रिजिड सेल वॉल, आउटर लेयर इज मेड अप ऑफ पेक्टोज. ये भी क्वेश्चन आया था. ग्रीन एल्गी रिजिड सेल वॉल, इनर लेयर इज मेड अप ऑफ सेल्यूलोज. वैसे तो ये सारे क्वेश्चंस आए थे, बट जो रिसेंटली क्वेश्चन आए हैं 2020 2021 उनको मैं स्पेशली मेंशन कर रही हूँ यहाँ पर. नेक्स्ट इज हाफ ऑफ द टोटल कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फिक्सेशन ऑन अर्थ इज कैरिड आउट बाय एल्गी. Next is question number 12 is the members of Phaeophyceae are called brown algae. Phaeophyceae, brown algae. In Phaeophyceae, food is stored in the form of laminarian or mannitol. The members of Rhodophyceae are commonly called red algae. Phaeophyceae, brown algae, Rhodophyceae, red algae. Next question number 15 is the members or in Rhodophyceae, the food is stored in the form of Floridian starch. The members of Chlorophyceae generally store food as starch. तो यहाँ पर Rhodophyceae food store as Floridian starch. The members of Chlorophyceae generally store food as starch. Gelidium and Glacieria are example of which algae? Rhodophyceae, that is your red algae. Next is question number 18, which is known as the amphibians of the plant kingdom. So bryophytes are known as the amphibians of the plant kingdom. Bryophytes include mosses and liverworts. ये भी क्वेश्चन आया था 2021 और 20 के टाइम ये क्वेश्चन आया था. bryophytes include, वहाँ पर mosses थे और भी बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस दिए गए थे. तो moss was the correct option in that question. Okay, so the main plant body of the bryophytes is haploid. Next question is which of the following provide peat that have long been used as fuel? Sphagnum dash along with dash are the first organism to colonize rock. First organism to colonize rocks are mosses and lichens. The first stage of life cycle. Sorry, 2 minutes. Yes. So the first stage of life cycle of moss is protonema stage. Next is question number 24. So the first terrestrial plants to possess vascular tissues are pteridophytes. In pteridophytes, the main plant body is sporophyte. The sporangia produce spore by meiosis in spore mother cells. Next is which is the world's largest flower? Rafflesia arnoldi या arnoldi, which is the tallest tree? Coast redwoods, जिसे हमसे कहते हैं Sequoia sempervirens. Which is the smallest flower? Wolfia. Okay, next question is, which is the world's smallest tree? Dwarf willow. Salix herbaceum. The pollination through wind is known as anemophily. The pollination through water is known as hydrophily. The pollination through insects is known as entomophily. The pollination through bats is known as chiropterophily. The pollination through animals is known as zoophily. Next question is, the pollination through birds is known as ornithophily. The pollination through slugs, snails and squirrels is known as melocophily. ओके तो पॉलिनेशन से रिलेटेड बहुत क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं मीडियम और वहाँ पर बता दिया जाता है और आपको बताना होता है कि इस पॉलिनेशन को हम क्या कहते हैं. विच इज़ नोन एज लिविंग फॉसिल. सो जिनको बाइलोबिया दैट इज मेडन हेयर ट्री एंड साइकड्स आर ऑल्सो लिविंग fossil. Next is 39th question is, which is male sex organ, antheridium or archegonium. So antheridium is the male sex organ. Next is, green algae contains chlorophyll, chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Phaeophyce contains chlorophyll, chlorophyll A and chlorophyll C. Next is, rhodophyce contains pigment, chlorophyll A and D. Okay. Next is, naked seeds are found in gymnosperms, full form of pen, primary endosperm nucleus. Question number 45 is, which of the following propagates through leaf tip? So walking fern is the correct answer. The kidney shaped covering of Sorus in Diopteris is called indusium. The oldest gymnospermous tree is Pinus longevium. Next is question number 48. Spirulina belongs to kingdom Monera. The yielding of rice is increased by Azolla. In Funaria, stomata are present in the capsule. Which of the following is used as food supplements by space travelers? Spirulina and chlorella. So I hope that this video is helpful to you, and if you liked my video, don't forget to share, like and to comment, and also don't forget to press the bell icon button for regular updates. Keep supporting, keep motivating. Thank you.